So today I came across this great big branch. Looks like it's been broken off. Probably by a windstorm we recently had. So I'm going to see if I can make a stool using a piece of cloth and some wood here, as well as my mallet today. Definitely need a mallet at home, and we're going to make one. And just give you an overview of how beautiful everything is greening up. So let's get started. So what I bring with me today is roughly 2 liters of water and my haversack set up using a British Mallet satchel pouch. Terrific idea, works great. So we'll take a look at tools that I'm going to be using to start this out with. So to start everything out with, bringing out the silky saw. Can't beat them. So the first branch that I'm going to need, we're going to cut the song section and see whether or not it's going to be high enough, if I can get 2 pieces or just 1 piece off of that. I didn't bring a axe with me, so we're just going to have to kind of delimb with the saw and a knife. So we'll get her close. Take off what we don't need. So once you figure out what size of mallet that you actually want, you can go ahead and begin cutting it. You can use whatever saw method that you need. Mine just works great for a sawhorse for what I need right here. As far as choosing the wood, really doesn't matter. Just choose something good and solid. I opted for a chunk of maple because it was available. So the next step is going to be just debarking this. I use cut resistant gloves, level 5 when I do this. Now, you don't have to debark this. You're pretty much going to get rid of a lot of it, but that's going to be tender for me later, so we'll debark some of this anyway. I always try to get as much as I can out of whatever I'm using. This also lets me see hidden marks or imperfections in the wood, just the same. So, to save you guys a little bit of time, all I'm doing is taking small saw cuts all the way around. Then I'm going to line my knife up at the top. I'm going to baton down. This is going to give you a little ledge here, and I'll show you just a second. For those people that will tell you that you do not need to baton anything, that's not true. Batoning is definitely useful when you need it. It's not the be all end all, but it is needed. So I just kind of go around here and try to get it to where she's round, taking off small chunks at a time versus taking off big chunks. and we'll start shaping our handle here. As you can see, it's starting to get rounder and rounder, and once it gets to the diameter that I like, then I got me a mallet. So like, share, subscribe as always, guys, and enjoy. So you may be wondering why I chose maple to make a mallet, right? Because it's very, very easy to put you a hole in there. Once you got you a small diameter auger, you can put you a hole in there and make you a lanyard hole. Maple's a very soft wood.